If your US LLC PayPal application keeps getting rejected, you're losing weeks of revenue, and here's the 48-hour fix. Here's the problem. Most founders skip one document and PayPal auto-rejects them. Get your EIN confirmation letter before applying. PayPal verifies this in 72 hours. Use your LLC's legal name exactly as filed. Name mismatches trigger 91% of rejections. You just formed a US LLC through Bastion Formations. Now you need a PayPal business account to accept payments worldwide. A non-US founder applies for PayPal using their personal address instead of the LLC's registered agent address. PayPal flags it as inconsistent within 24 hours and locks the application for 90 days. That's 3 months of lost revenue because one field was wrong. Here's exactly what to do instead. Most people fail here. They apply the same day they get their LLC filing receipt. PayPal needs your EIN confirmation letter from the IRS. That letter takes 4 to 6 weeks by mail or 2 weeks if you use the IRS online system. If you apply without it, PayPal puts you in a verification loop that can last 60 to 90 days. Do not do this. Wait for the EIN letter. Step 1 is gather 3 documents. Your LLC Articles of Organization from your state filing, your EIN confirmation letter with the IRS header and your LLC's legal name, your operating agreement showing you as the authorized signer. Bastion Formations sends you the articles within 48 hours and the operating agreement template immediately. The EIN letter is the one you wait for. Keep digital copies in one folder labeled PayPal Ready. Step 2 is use your registered agent address as your business address on the PayPal form. This is important. Your registered agent is the official address PayPal cross-checks with state records. If you formed through Bastion Formations, that's the address on your dashboard under Registered Agent Service at $99 per year. Using your home country address creates a mismatch. PayPal's system flags mismatches in under 12 hours and freezes your application. Here's the problem if you skip the address rule. PayPal will ask you to verify your LLC with a utility bill or bank statement. You can't provide that because the LLC address is in Wyoming or Delaware and you live abroad. Your application sits in pending status for 45 to 60 days while support tickets go nowhere. Then PayPal closes it and you start over. 73% of non-US founders hit this wall in month 1. Step 3 is the advanced move. When PayPal asks for your business description, use this exact wording: digital services and consulting for international clients. That phrase signals low chargeback risk. PayPal's fraud algorithm scores your description. Vague terms like online business or e-commerce trigger manual review 58% of the time and add 7 to 14 days. Use the script. Then upload your EIN letter and articles in one batch. PayPal approves most complete applications in 24 to 48 hours when the documents match perfectly. Bastion Formations clients get approved faster because the registered agent address is already in state systems and PayPal verifies it instantly. Digital services and consulting for international clients. Wait for your EIN confirmation letter first. Use your registered agent address, not your home address. Upload all 3 documents in one batch. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations for your LLC and registered agent setup. Visit https://bastionformations.com.